Okay, so what I've got here is the Burger Time ADF file. I'm having trouble with sound, so I thought I'll try running this. So I've just opened it up, and now I'm just going to run I'm just going to run Burger Time. Hit OK, and it should just kick off this. So hit 5, and let's go. Okay. So I've got sound. I've got no score on the screen, so if I press P for a second before we get ourselves into trouble. Right. I think we can continue. Looks pretty good. So yeah, very colourful. So yeah, this is not the WHD load version. This is just what? Joystick. Just need to line up the joystick properly. It's going to be incredibly precise on the step, and if you're really on the money, otherwise you are penalised by stopping in your tracks. You just want to be as fast as you can around those corners. Yeah, mistakes like that. So yeah, once you get a roll on, go across, got him. I'll try to catch one of these guys. Okay, I'll get him. Make it straight across, straight down. These are pretty good. So this one here can go straight up. And I have to get him there. Sorry, I have to get away from that. Again, you've got to be fluid with the movements, otherwise you get yourself in trouble. And don't ever get yourself in a pickle. Frankfurt's they're good to go in hot dogs and burgers. But yeah, I've got to really focus on this, and I haven't got too much storage space for this video, but we'll try it. Oh, I should have shot them. Just didn't hit the fire button. Game over.